Considering a brand that has named their server chips as Epic, Threadripper should be considered a modest naming. But it was meant to intimidate and challenge the very concept of cores and simultaneous multi-threading. And with the launch of the latest 9000 series of CPUs, I'd say it's earned.
But this isn't your regular Threadripper. This is the Pro line.
Because apparently being the king of HDD CPUs wasn't enough for AMD.
Meet the new Threadripper Pro 9965WX. 24 cores, 48 threads, Zen 5 architecture and major IPC uplift.
IPC. Of course it's better. It's new. That's like saying pizza is better hot. What people want? Real world performance. For that we need to build. Big thanks to AMD for sending the CPU, GPU and motherboard.
Now, Cinebench R24 multi-thread score 3068.
Cinebench? Really? You're an PC, not Computer Shack. Of course 24 cores will crush Cinebench. It's like flexing I can beat a 5-year-old at arm wrestling. What about AI? What about content creation? What about real workloads? The 9965WX doesn't have any inbuilt NPUs. So AI performance, meh, not so good. But pair it with GPUs and it becomes the AI LLM workhorse or the content you want.
Or just build 2 Ryzen systems with 24 cores and still get dual GPUs.
It's like buying 2 scooters instead of a car and thinking it's better. Of course it's not. Here's why. It's Threadripper Pro and not just Threadripper. 128 usable PCIe 5 lanes compared to 48 in a normal Threadripper and 24 in a consumer Ryzen CPU.
Okay.
So you can connect up to 7 GPUs or 1 GPU and up to 28 NVMe drives and up to 2 TB of 8-channel ECC DDR5 RAM.
That's workstation horsepower consumer CPU can only dream of.
Exactly so.
Benchmarks, brutal.
Exactly, and if this doesn't convince you, nothing will.
So if you want this exact build, visit our website www.and-pc.com or you can contact our sales executive or DM us on our social media platforms.